Om Sai Ram. Welcome back to our channel, The World of Raveen.
Today we will learn a short notes on Diwali. Diwali, which is also commonly known as Diwali or Deepavali, is festival of lights which is celebrated by Hindus, Sikhs, Jain and Buddhists. The name derives from Sanskrit word Deepavali, which is bifurcated as Deepa and Avali. The meaning of Deepa is lamp or light, whereas Avali is row or series in term of continuity. In other words, Deepavali is a festival of lights, lamp with continuous glow. This festival is celebrated mainly on Amavasya of Kartik month. Though Deepavali festival is celebrated in different form by followers of different faiths and cultures, but nevertheless it represents same symbolic ideology, that is victory of light over darkness, knowledge over ignorance and good over bad. This auspicious festival is connected in large with Lakshmi, goddess of prosperity, and Ganesha along with others such as Vishnu, Yam, Hanuman, Kuber and Dhanvantari. Above all, there is a strong belief towards celebration that Lord Rama, the son of King Dasrath, during the exile period of 14 years, had defeated Ravan, the king of Lanka, and returned to his kingdom along with brother Lakshmana and better half Sita. The people of Kingdom Ayodhya welcomed them by lightening lamps and sharing sweets, and thus this festival is associated with returning of Lord Rama, exhausting his exile period. There is an astonishing enthusiasm during the festival of Deepavali. The people will clean and decorate their houses and also will draw rangoli in front of the door. People will wear new dresses. In the evening, when sky is at its darkest stage, people will light lamp oil batti, which will tear off the darkness and the sky become lighted. People offer puja to Lakshmi, and after conclusion of puja, sweets are distributed. People, especially children, burst crackers and enjoy with a lot of happiness. They wait very eagerly for returning of the auspicious festival very soon. Now concluding lines. This festival, which is believed to be one of the best festival being celebrated, runs for a period of 5 days in different forms by different faith, with a unique ideology of conquer of good over evil. So, in advance, happy Deepavali to all of you. Thank you for watching me. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and press bell icon. Thank you.